Yeah, Ride Auto, we have a 2006 Ford Focus SE ZX4 4-door sedan, 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, jet black. As you can see, the body is very clean. This vehicle comes with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty. There's no hail on the vehicle. The body is very straight. Fully loaded with power windows, locks, gray cloth interior. There are no lights that are on the dash. Automatic transmission. Back seats fold down as well. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at Ride Auto 952-882-7776. We're located on Highway 13 across from Menards, right next door to McDonald's. Thank you.